Hey, what's up guys? I've got some exciting information to share about the Nothing Phone 2. At MWC, Calpay confirmed that the handset would come with Snapdragon 8 series chipset, and now it has been officially confirmed that the Phone 2 will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC, which is a brilliant move by Nothing. The Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 is last year's flagship SoC, and it's a massive upgrade over the Snapdragon 778G Plus SoC found in the Nothing Phone 1. Calpay also tweeted that the app opening speed on Nothing Phone 2 is twice as fast compared to Nothing Phone 1. The Phone 2 has gained an overall 80% speed boost over the Nothing Phone 1. He also stated that the Phone 2 would bring improvements in the battery life. This is because the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 is built on TSMC's 4nm node, which is very power efficient, and also it doesn't generate much heat. The Nothing Phone 2 will also get improvements in network connectivity and in cameras. The ISP used in the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 captures 4000 times more camera data than the ISP used on the Nothing Phone 1. This will make the Nothing Phone 2 to record 4K videos at 60 fps and offer advanced features like RAW HDR. Despite all the improvements and Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, Calpay stated that the device would not get a price hike and it would be accessible. The upgraded features and an attractive pricing will make the Nothing Phone 2 stand out from the rest. Other features might include an AMOLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate, a 5000 mAh battery, and Android 13 operating system. So what do you guys think about this Nothing Phone 2? Do let me know in the comment section down below, and if you like this video then please subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.